See, linear equation in two variable, exercise 3.3 exercise, right? Question number 1 saying solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. By substitution. So what is substitution? What is substitution method? See, question is given x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Getting x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Correct? See, what is substitution now? In these two equations, find the value of anyone. Find the value of anyone and put into other. And put into other. Like here I am finding value of x is equal to y plus 4. This side minus y, this side plus y. Yes, na? Now this x I am putting here. This x I am putting here. Means x is equal to what? Y plus 4 plus y. X is equal to y plus 4. X is equal to, so written y plus 4 plus this y, same y, plus equal to 14. Means 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. This 4 this side, this 4 this side, right? So 2y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 by 2. Y is equal to 5. Yes, na? Now I am saying slowly. As the question goes on, the speed will also increase. So y is equal to 5 we get. Y is equal to 5. Next, this y, this y, either put in this equation or this one. Wherever you want you can put. Correct? I am putting here. What is this? X plus y is equal to 14. X plus y is equal to y is equal to 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 minus 5. X is equal to how much? 9. X is equal to 9. So this we get value of x, this we get value of y. Understood? See this question, what we'll do here? We'll take LCM. We'll take LCM. So here 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9x minus 3 2 ja and 5 2 ja 10y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. So here become 9x minus 6 10y, 10 minus 12 minus 12. Try to find value of y or x, doesn't matter, whichever you want you can find. Again I am trying to find here value of x. So this side become minus 12 plus 10y, minus 12 plus 10y. Getting or not? Acha. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y, or shall I write 10y minus 12? Yes or no? Just rearranging by 9. We get the value of x. We got the value of this value will substitute. First we'll find the simplify this one and this value will put here, right? So here LCM is 6. So here 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. Downside we can cancel. Downside we can cancel. See how? If I take this one 6 here, it becomes into 6. So upside 6 and downside 6 can be cancelled, right? So before formally cancel, no need to think more. So here we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Now this x we are putting here. Yes, na? Means 2 into 10y minus 12 by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. Plus 3y is equal to 13. So here become 20y minus 24 by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. Take the LCM. 20y minus 24 plus 27y plus 20. Now this 9 I am taking this side because here downside 9 will come na. So correct, downside 9. So this 9 I am taking this side. So 13 9 ja 117. Right now. So this become 47y. 47y is equal to 117 plus 24. See, this one, this side went plus 24. Yes or no? Now 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. That is 7 plus 4. At least if you're not knowing, try to add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a small thing also. You will not try only and laughing also.
11.
2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 and 1. Yes sir. So here 47y. Y is equal to 141 by 47. 141 by. Now see, it will cancel by 3 times or not. 7 3s are 21. Remain 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So 100% cancel by 3. So y is equal to get 3. Y is equal to 3. Acha. If y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. We will put here y is equal to 3. Either here or here, wherever you want you can put. Yes na? So I am putting here 2x plus 3 3s are 9y.
Yes, sir.
Here I am putting 3. So 3 into 3, 9. So plus 9 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 9. 13
Minus 9.
4. So x is equal to 2. We get the value of x. We get the value of y. Getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see this one. S minus t. This is question number 2. And this was the question number 6. Correct? Achha, now see here. Here also this term is in the fraction. This term is in the
Fraction.
So first try to remove the fraction. And from here we will find the value of s is equal to t plus 3. Right? This side minus, this side plus 3. Right now? Achha, here LCM is 6. LCM is 6. 3 2 ja 6. So 2s plus 3t is equal to 6. So 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 6 ja 36. Now put this s value here. Put this s value here. So what become? 2 into t plus 3 plus 3t is equal to 36. Yes na? So here 2t plus 6 plus 3t is equal to 36. 3 plus 2 5t is equal to 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. This one this side minus 6, right? So it's equal to 30. So t is equal to 6. 6 5 is 30. T is equal to 6. Now this t put here. This t put here. So 6 plus 3. S is equal to. This also people can't say. I am proud of you. Don't know what you will do in the future. See here. Here find the value of y. Find the value of y or yy. 3x is equal to y plus 3. 3x is equal to y plus 3. And no, better to find the value of y only. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 3x. 3 minus 3x. Because if you find the value of x, it will go in the fraction. It will go in the fraction. Just for removing the fraction, I am just finding the value of y. Correct? Acha. Now minus there, multiply every term with minus. Multiply every term with minus. Both sides I am multiplying with minus. This become plus y is equal to 3x minus 3. 3x. Now this y will substitute here. This y will substitute. Means 9x minus 3 into 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. Yes na? 9x, same thing. 3 into y. Y is equal to 3x minus 3. 3x minus 3 is kept here. Is equal to 9. So here 9x minus 9x. 9x minus. Sorry, something become wrong. So 9x and 9x will get totally cancelled, right? This question is correct or not? See, question is correct only. Here 9x is 9x and 9x is getting cancelled. So here we are getting 9 is equal to 9. If you get question like this and you are getting both same here. Both same means neither you are getting value of x nor you are getting value of y. Correct now? We are not getting value of x, not getting value of y. In this situation we are not getting any value. Not getting means infinite value. Means infinite solution. What you can say? Infinite solution. If you want to check, see 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Right now? Check a1 by a2. 3 by 9 minus 1 by minus 3. 3 by 9. Yes na? 3 3 is 9, minus minus cancel, 3 3 is 9. All are 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. All are equal. Correct na? Means a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal. When all are equal, you will get no solution or infinite solution. Go back and see. Go back and see first. When all are equal, no solution or infinite solution.
Infinite.
Correct. So thing you should remember. Acha, if you seen only see how will be the graph? Intersecting, coincidence, or intersecting will come for all are not equal. See and say I am saying. Don't use your mind. When a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal, then which kind of graph will come? At least turn your notebook.
Consistency.
Which kind of graph will come? I am saying it will intersect or parallel. All it will go on both same line.
Both same line.
So say overlap graph will come.
Overlap.
See how many times I told for asking one thing, see how much time it went. And this guy is busy in copying. He not even turning the how he will turn because last page the full white one, right? Okay, see here. So here find the value of x. Find the value of x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y. Yes na? This side plus, this side minus. Okay. So x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. Yes na? We get the value of x. Now this value we will substitute here. This value we will substitute. So I am putting 0.4 into x. X is 1.3 minus 0.3 y by 0.2. Yes na? Yes or no? Plus 0.5 y is equal to 2.3. See, same thing I have written. You should check like I didn't miss any sign, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, here decimal and decimal can be cancelled. Can be cancelled because after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So it can be cancelled. So 2 2 ja 4 means just to multiply by 2. Correct na? So here become 2.6 minus 0.6y, 3 2 ja 6. Yes na? Plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Getting? Yes or no? Now 0.6y and 0.5y. 0.6 and 0.5. See? 0.6, 0.5. Correct now? While doing the sum or subtraction, addition or subtraction of decimal, decimal should be front. Decimal should be front. See how I written? Correct now? Now saying this one minus and this one plus. So we should minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Here decimal and sign will be biggest one. So 0.1 minus 0.1. So minus 0.1 y. And this term will take this side. Yes or no? Means 2.3 minus 2.6. 2.3 minus 2.6. Again I am subtracting. 2.6. Written 2.6. Yes or no? Then I told decimal will become front. Here. Means 2.3. Now this is minus, this is plus. What I told, whichever bigger one we will do that one only. Yes or no? So here 6 minus 3 is 3, and here 0, minus 0.3. So minus 0.1 y is equal to minus 0.3. Minus minus cancel. Minus minus. So y is equal to 0.3 by 0.1. Decimal cancel. So y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. If you get y is equal to 3, put here somewhere in any equation, either here or here. Correct? I am putting in this one. Putting in the first one. So what do we have? 0.2x plus 0.3 into 3 because y is equal to 3. Yes or no? Then 1.3. So 0.2x is equal to 1.3. This become how much? 0.9. 0.9. So minus 0.9. Minus 0.9. Subtract here. 1.3 minus 0.9. I told decimal should be a straight state. Correct? So 13 minus 9 is 13 and here 0. So 0.2x is equal to 0.4. So x is equal to 0.2 by 0.4 by 0.2. Point get cancelled. 2 2 is 4. So x is equal to 2. Here you get value of x. Here you get value of y. See next one. See next one. So here also try to find the value of x or y. X or y. So I am finding value of x only. Here is 0. Here is
0.
means minus root 3y. Minus root 3y. So x is equal to, or do one thing. Don't be in the problem of minus. Don't be in the problem of minus. This one let it be. Is equal to 0. Here find the value of x or y. Because here the one term is minus, right? So if you go this side, it will become plus. So root 3 x is equal to root 2 y. So x is equal to root 2 by root 3 y. Now this value we are substituting here. Getting? So here root 2 x is equal to how much? Root 2 by root 3 y plus root 3 y is equal to 0. Anybody is here also or all dead only? See, this is the classroom I am teaching. Root 2 into 2 is 2. Then here root 3 and here y plus root 3 y is equal to 0. Correct? Now take LCM. Take LCM. LCM is root 3. Root 3 get cancel. Here become 2y plus root 3 into root 3, 3y. Root 3 into root 3, 3 into y is 3y is equal to 0. This one taken this side. This one taken this side. So 5y is equal to 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Achha, if y is equal to we get 0, put this value here. Put this value here. So x is equal to this thing into 0. This thing into 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So x is equal to also 0. Done.